made some nice pie crust.
We're bored. Ooh, it's 1:30 in the morning.
Wow.
Because we're bored. It smells gross. I don't like blackberry.
I don't care if you don't like blackberry.
Yeah.
That's all we have.
What are we doing,
Because
Mom?
us Americans don't drink a lot of tea.
I love
Except for
tea.
us. Canadians a lot of tea.
Oh my God, I
Canadian
love
tea
tea.
sucks.
I'm running out of tea. I was so
Why
hungry.
is
My
why-
dad
what
drank
is
all
wrong
my
with this?
tea.
Got it.
I love my tea. I drink it a lot.
Oh my god! Put the bag in there. You're free. Shut up. They just
Well, us
got
smart
hungry.
people are like, we have stuff to do. We can't reproduce.
Snort some. It smells terrible. Oh god. No wonder I don't drink tea. You just put the whole thing in there? Put it in. Oh jeez.
You overflowed it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What is wrong? No, what'd you do? It wasn't me, man. You ruined it. It was the crack speaking, man. Well, we have no crack. That you know of? No. It was a unicorn. Okay.
Oh, shut up. Unicorn should know this.
What else? Okay, what is the thing to do today?
One tea bag.
I'll get pudding. We got pudding.
Can I
I got
chocolate
the
pudding?
pudding. I got the pudding.
Oh yeah,
Some
it's
nice snack pack.
Yeah, we have to change
Wait,
because we
wait.
don't have rice pudding.
Wait,
we
here's
don't eat rice
some
pudding.
nice fat-free
No,
milk.
why do you eat? No, it's my fat.
Oh, boo-hoo. You're not fat. You don't need it. It's almost empty anyways.
Yum.
This is gross. We're gonna throw up.
Oh,
No,
no, I had that milk that we threw out of the bus window. They told us to throw a milk out of the bus window because it was so gross. Because we put pizza pieces, kiwi, lime, and some other things. I had to try it. It just smelled so bad. I had to. Do you think that's enough sugar?
Yeah,
You need more.
that's good.
Oh my gosh. Some nice sugar and pudding.
Oh my god,
Oh
no.
my god, no.
Yeah.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
Gosh, dude, you never put that all in your mouth. It's gross. Ew. Can you throw this over there?
Yeah, it's garbage can's right there.
Oh, well, I don't live
Yeah.
here. I have a home apparently. Ooh, it turned chocolatey.
Oh my god.
Get the.
That's
Get
not
that
nice in
pie.
the center so it's
No. 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 Scoop it back in.
That's what happened.
Ew, it did explode.
Yeah. It just leaked a little like a little kid.
Oh, what little
Like a
kid's
little
like-
kid.
It's not even hard. It's all.
Oh wait, I need to get a chunk of that.
You eat it. I swear to God, eat it.
Crap.
Eat it.
This is worthless.
Eat it, Mom. Take a bite. Take a little
Bite,
bite.
bite,
This
take
was
a
your
bite.
idea.
Take a bite, 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 take a bite.
Oh yeah, let's go to the Winchester.
Take a bite and I'll
It's not good yet.
It doesn't matter. Sorry if I'm not trying to die.
It's really hot.
Okay. Hold your hands.
Alright.
You can do it.
You can do this, you can do this.
Let's push the jaw.
Oh my god.
I'm afraid. Oh, why are we doing this again?
She wanted to.
Your hands.
Your hand isn't covered.
Oh my god.
I need it.
Hold on. My hands are
You ruined slides.
okay, my turn.
You don't want to try it.
It got stuck underneath my teeth.
Oh. Oh god.
Oh god.
You took a
Are you able to down it?
That's nasty.
You. What's wrong with you?
Oh my god, you're a monster.
I've had
Go
worse.
move to England.
Yeah, go move to
Go,
England,
get
you
out of
horse. You do.
Foreigner.
You even had to have braces to fix your
Foreigner,
terrible teeth.
Foreigner. We did not win the Revolutionary War for you. We beat you up.
That's what you get when you punch English people in the face on the 4th of July. That says something. You guys are terrible. You go away.
Go away.
No one likes you.
Go away.
You guys are so mean to me.
Clean up this mess.
Clean up, Clean up, slave. We have
Slave.
slavery here. Clean up.
Clean up.
Actually, since you're a slave, eat pork. I need to find our nice tea bag. Oh, God. Nom nom nom. That's so nasty. Do not eat that. Do not. Oh my gosh. That's how I eat. Make it out hot. Oh, God.
It's not that bad if you just bite it.
It's like messed up pudding.
With chunks in it.
Maybe rice pudding would have been better instead of chocolate pudding.
Probably. I don't like rice pudding. It tastes like crap.
Okay, I don't want to put this in the backyard.
It tastes like
I
crap.
don't want to put it in the garage. I don't
Feed
want to.
it to the dog.
No, that is. I don't want to make our dog sick. She may
Oh
die
my
from
gosh,
this.
that's right. She throws up everything she eats.
Okay, so we can't throw it away because our mom will see it. Can't throw it in the backyard because the dog will eat it.
I'll just